Did you know that a cup of flour can weigh anywhere from 4 to 6 ounces? This small difference can make or break a recipe, whether it's perfectly moist banana bread or something that ends up too dry. Using a kitchen scale is one of the easiest ways to get accurate and consistent results when cooking or baking. While professionals rely on them daily, many home cooks are still undecided about making the switch. I've put together a list of the 5 best kitchen scales for 2024 to help you make the right choice. These scales are useful for everything from measuring flour for bread to weighing coffee grounds for your perfect morning brew. You can find links to the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Each scale was tested for accuracy, precision, and ease of use, so you can count on getting reliable results in your kitchen. Number 5. Nicewell Food Scale. The best large display option is this food scale, ideal for those who prioritize easy readability. Its platform is spacious enough for large plates, and the large LCD display makes reading measurements effortless. The scale is equipped with 4 high-precision sensors, delivering accuracy with a precision of 1 gram or 0.1 ounce. It can weigh items ranging from as little as 3 grams to 10 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from baking to tracking dietary intake. The scale's design features tempered glass for durability and a sleek stainless steel surface that is both anti-fingerprint and easy to clean. The tare function allows users to zero out containers, providing precise measurements of ingredients. It also includes a convenient hook for storage and comes with 2 AAA batteries for immediate use. With its combination of accuracy, ease of use, and large display, this food scale is a fantastic option for anyone who values both function and form. Number 4. Ozeri Pronto Kitchen Scale. The best for precision is this kitchen scale, trusted by experts and endorsed by reputable institutions like the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute for its accuracy. The scale can weigh up to 11.24 pounds with a precision of 0.04 ounce, 1 gram, making it ideal for diet tracking and health-focused users. It quickly switches between 6 units of measurement, including grams, kilograms, pounds, and milliliters. This scale is also designed with user-friendly features like tactile unit and tare buttons, which give both audible and physical feedback when pressed. The buttons are placed away from the weighing platform to prevent accidental interference with the display. The scale also comes with an automatic power-off setting, which can be programmed between 2 and 5 minutes to save battery life. With its high level of precision and ease of use, this scale is perfect for those who require exact measurements for dietary or culinary purposes. Number 3. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. For those seeking a simple, no-frills option, the best budget-friendly choice is this digital kitchen scale. With a maximum weight capacity of 11 pounds and a minimum of 2 grams, it's perfect for most kitchen tasks. It offers multiple units of measurement, including pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters. The strain gauge technology ensures consistent and accurate measurements. The scale has a large LCD screen that clearly displays measurements and features a tare button to easily subtract the weight of containers. While its design is relatively basic, it still includes a stainless steel platform, which provides durability and ease of cleaning. Plus, the food-safe BPA-free plastic components make it safe for everyday use. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, which are conveniently included. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing functionality, this scale is a solid option. Number 2. OXO Good Grips. The Best Design Award goes to this kitchen scale for its intuitive and user-friendly features. The standout feature is its pull-out display, which ensures that large bowls or plates won't obstruct your view of the measurements. The digital screen has large backlit numbers, making it easy to read in any light condition. Designed with a stainless steel platform that is both smudge and fingerprint resistant, the scale remains sleek and clean with minimal effort. In terms of functionality, this scale allows for easy unit conversion between ounces, pounds, grams, and kilograms. It also has a zero function, enabling you to tare the scale between measurements, making it perfect for precise ingredient measurements. The removable platform adds convenience when it comes to cleaning, and its portable size makes it easy to store. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this scale's thoughtful design ensures ease of use while adding a touch of modernity to your kitchen. Number 1, a Tech City Food Kitchen Scale. This kitchen scale stands out as the best overall option, offering a balance of versatility, precision, and user-friendly design. This scale supports multiple units of measurement, including ounces, pounds, grams, milliliters, and fluid ounces, making it a great choice for a wide range of uses, from weighing food and vegetables to more delicate items like jewelry and medicines. With a maximum capacity of 5 kilograms and a precision of 1 gram increments, it ensures accurate results every time. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of containers, which simplifies measuring ingredients. Designed for convenience, this scale features a backlit LCD display with large fonts, making it easy to read, even in dim lighting. Its sleek, compact design ensures that it won't take up much space in your kitchen, and the stainless steel surface is not only durable but easy to clean. For those looking for reliability, precision, and versatility in one compact package, this food kitchen scale is a top pick. That wraps up our top picks for the best kitchen scales of 2024. Whether you're perfecting your baking, tracking your portions, or fine-tuning your culinary skills, these scales are sure to help you achieve precise measurements every time. Ready to get your hands on one of these kitchen must-haves? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay tuned for all our latest reviews, tips, and kitchen gear recommendations.